So a lot going on in the world right now. It's 2020, it's October. There's so much. So we're not going to dive into any of that. I know there's a lot of chaos for no matter who you are. You're going through something this year, definitely. And probably many things you did not anticipate. So I have sorted my 5 favorite easiest things you can do to de-stress, calm the chaos, and get yourself grounded and back to good. Number 1, the easiest. We're already doing it, breathing, but deep breathing, mindful breathing. So when you get really worked up, really frustrated, just everything is all out of sorts, become aware that you're spinning, that you're just like, and deep breath out. Deep breath in, belly comes out when you breathe in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Number 2, gratitude. If you are spinning in a world of negativity, we're going to do a redirect. If you have kids, you probably say this, or somebody's told you the whole redirect. When they're doing something you don't want them to do, you redirect them towards something like, hey, over here, look this. And then their focus goes to the redirect. You do the same thing with your brain. Your brain's like, politics, this, pandemic, Hey, brain, we woke up today. Like, I'm able to walk. I have my health. I have a roof over my head. I have clean drinking water. I could take a hot shower. I have clean clothes. I mean, start as basic as you need to. I have friends and family that love and support me. The more things you can pull into the world of gratitude, the more your brain is like, we have all this great stuff. And then it's redirected off of the things we don't like and we don't want. So redirect your mind, focus on the good. You can write down what you're grateful for, and it really gets in that brain nice and well. 20 minutes out in nature reduces stress by lowering that cortisol hormone, which has linked to the stress level. So it reduces cortisol levels, lower stress levels. 20 minutes out in nature did the trick. If you can't, you're like, I don't have 20 minutes. Just get outside whenever, wherever you can. If you are on the East Coast, it's fall, the leaves are changing, it's beautiful. The weather today is just gorgeous here in Maryland. So Marylanders, this is the time. Get outside, soak up that crisp, fresh air, deep breaths. Oh, we're so grateful for this beautiful fall weather. Number 2. Number 3, you're out. Look, you can do all these at the same time. Pretty cool, huh? So number 3, get out in nature. It's proven to reduce stress and calm the chaos. Number 4, meditate. And I often throw out meditation when flockers or friends are telling me they're really stressed out. I'm like, hey, you should try meditation. Not for me. I meditate like 2 to 4 minutes in the morning. At most, maybe 5 or 6 minutes. The most. On a very busy day, like 2 minutes of meditation. First thing in the morning. So if I wake up and I'm like, oh, I got so much to do today. Oh my gosh, I didn't do that thing yesterday. Oh, what is happening in the world today? Are the zombies coming? I don't know. Before I look at my phone, before I check the news, before I even look out my window, I go down, get the coffee going, and I sit and I meditate. And mindful meditation, just clear out everything and like, how am I feeling right now, presently in this moment? And that is how you typically do some meditation. Present in the moment, in this moment, right here, not tomorrow, not yesterday, right here. How do I feel right in this moment? And whatever that feeling is, don't judge it. It is what it is. It is what it is. So that is the easiest meditation. You just, I feel indifferent, or I feel sad, or I feel happy, or I feel anxious, and whatever you're feeling, just acknowledge it and don't judge it. And that's really, it's really that easy. And start with like 30 seconds if you're not doing it. So tiny little bit, and work it first thing, ideally first thing in the morning, but if you can't do it in the morning, anytime, any place. Number 5, last but certainly not least, exercise. You guys probably knew exercise was coming, right? If you know me. If exercise was a pill, oh my goodness. It's not a pill, but it is just, it does so much good, exercise. So exercise is clinically proven to reduce stress levels in several studies. Reduces stress, reduces fatigue, improves alertness, improves concentration, enhances overall cognitive function. And that doesn't even get into all the other amazing things exercise does. It makes you feel better. It makes you focus better. It makes you concentrate better. It makes you, like, your overall well-being. It releases all those feel-good endorphins in your mind and brain, and like, it just, any exercise. If I often hear, and maybe you've said this, I don't have time to exercise. 5 minutes counts. 1 minute. If you're doing 0, 1 minute counts. If you're doing 5 minutes already, 6 minutes count. Like, just small steps, a little bit better, and you'll feel a little bit better. You'll calm the chaos a little bit more. So I hope my 5 steps to calm the chaos is helpful for you. Let me know what you think. This is something new I'm trying, and I appreciate you being here, and I hope you guys are staying healthy and kind to one another, and I love you a lot. Bye.